Why you keep procrastinating. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's confusion disguised as delay. Every time a task feels confusing, boring, overwhelming, or risky, your brain looks for an escape, and the easiest escape is distraction. Phone scrolling, random videos, or small unimportant tasks feel easier because they give instant relief, while the real work feels uncertain and mentally heavy. The real reason you keep procrastinating isn't lack of time or motivation. It's lack of clarity and the fear of starting something that feels bigger or harder than your current mental comfort. How to fix it? You fix procrastination by removing uncertainty, not by forcing motivation. Instead of thinking about the whole task, break it into the smallest possible starting action, so small that it feels almost stupid to avoid, like opening the file, writing one sentence, or working for just 5 minutes. Set a clear starting point, eliminate distractions before you begin, and focus only on finishing the first tiny step, not the entire task. Once the start becomes easy and clear, momentum builds automatically, and procrastination loses its grip because the task no longer feels confusing or overwhelming. If you want to stop wasting time and actually take control of your focus, subscribe now, because I break down real psychological triggers behind your habits.